What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to add a copyright section into your WordPress website using WPBakery WordPress page builder into your latest version. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin and enter with the login credentials. You're gonna be able to see the dashboard, okay? Once on dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over page and hit the submenu add page. Once on it, most of the themes already have a copyright, but if yours not, click on WPBakery Page Builder. Wait while the page loads. You can give the page a title, okay? It's important. Let's start with a blank page canvas to remove footer and header. Then let's add some elements, okay? In my case, I'm gonna just work in the imagine that I'm gonna create a contact page, so I'm gonna use contact form. Then I'm gonna click into the plus button, enter with a row. In this row, I'm gonna use two columns, one health and one health. Into the first column, I'm gonna use the copyright element. Click on it. Prefix is copyright. Postfix, it's all rights reserved, but of course you can change the text, you can change the position, you can change the language. There is other design options that you can play with sizings in the case that you want. And let me show you the results we got. As you can see, a copyright section. This year is automatically updated, okay? So into 2027, this is gonna be updated to 2027. No worries, okay? What else I can do right here? I can, for example, let me just change the sizing. And into this one, I'm gonna change the background color to a little bit darker color, just like this. Let me show you the results. Let me make it full widget. Go back right here into the row. I'm gonna make it full widget. Raw stretch raw. Save change. Let me show you the results. And here is the result. It's a copyright section, but maybe you can add some links, some icons, for example. So click into the plus button and you can go to icon, or maybe to Facebook like, or maybe to call some menu in the case you want, for example. WP custom menu. We can call the main menu right here in the case you want, just like this. Or maybe we can delete and use icons, for example. And you can set up some icons according to your needs, maybe to social media, to create some media styles. Let me show you one example, just like this. Go to Facebook. You can enter your page URL, save change, and Here's the result. And of course, you can apply other icons, one per column, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best, and don't forget to hit the publish button to save your changes.